Hey, this is Matt from Fundlet. In the last video, we created our first campaign. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our landing page for the campaign to display on our Shopify store storefront. After you create your campaign, you'll see a modal that says set up landing page. And then all you have to do is hit launch customizer. But if you are coming back into the campaign, you might not see that. And you can always get back to it from the setup landing page link and more actions. So let's get started. Let's launch our customizer. This is going to take us into the Shopify theme customizer. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select homepage and I'm going to come down to Fundlet campaign and I'm going to hit create template. Just like creating page templates or anything, it's going to create a template underneath this area and it's going to be called default. The great thing about Fundlet is that you only have to create the campaign one time and it'll work for all your landing pages. So let's get started. What I'm going to do now is in the template section, not the header or footer, I'm going to add the Fundlet blocks. So we're going to go into app, we're going to add banner, and we're going to add collection, and we're going to add the participant onboard form. And there we go. We now have a functioning Shopify page. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm just going to close this window, and I'm back in my campaign. Now, if I want to see my landing page, just have to go to view landing page. And oops, I'm going to hit our storefront password, of course. So let's jump in here, and we're going to see the password. And I'm just going to copy that here. So let's go back. And we'll go to our campaign, back to test campaign. And let's go to view landing page and paste our password. And it's going to take us to the home page. That's Shopify default. So let's pop out of that, come back, go to view landing page, and there it is. Campaign's ready to go. Now you might notice, hey, where's my image? I saw it here. So let's go in and add our image right now to complete this. So to add our image, we're just going to go into edit campaign. And what I'm going to do is scroll down to our design section. All right, we're uploading our image and we hit save. Now our image is uploaded. And what we're going to do is just go here and view the landing page again. And there you go. Now we have our campaign set up and it's ready to go. In the next video, I'll show you how to complete a sale and what that looks like. Thank you.